Up to this point, we have only been working with the white keys C, D, E, F, G, A and B. The white keys on a piano are called natural notes, as they simply use a name from the musical alphabet, A through to G. The black keys, however, are different. Each black key is given two names. The names are based on which white keys surround them. For example, if we play the note C and raise it or go up by a half step, it would become a C sharp. This is because we are raising the note C up by a half step. If we play the note D and go down by a half step, the note would then become D flat. This is because we are lowering the note D by a half step. The musical symbol for sharps is a hash-like sign. The symbol for flats is a small lowercase b. Okay, so why do we use the names sharps and flats? Well, when you raise, for example, the note C by a half step, you are in fact sharpening the pitch, hence the name sharp. It's still the note C, but the pitch has been sharpened. When you lower, for example, the note D by a half step, you are flattening the pitch, hence the name flat. It's still the note D, but the pitch has been flattened. All sharp and flat notes are known as accidentals, as they are no longer natural notes or naturals. Calling a note sharp or flat depends on factors such as the key you are playing in, or what chord you're playing, and so on. Knowing when to call a note sharp or flat will come naturally as we progress through the lessons, so don't worry about this at the moment.